In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Roblox support. Let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and open up Roblox on my phone. You can also do this on the PC, but it is the exact same on the phone. And I'm going to assume that most people are doing this on their phone. So there are many reasons why you would contact Roblox support, such as issues with your account or issues with a purchase or other things like that. Whatever the issue, this video will help you fix it. So once on the app, you want to go to the triple dot in the bottom right, click on that. Then you want to scroll down to where it says help and then click that. You're going to be brought to the help page. Here you can search the articles that Roblox has provided to see if you can fix the issue yourself. But if you want to still contact Roblox support and none of the articles are helping you, the next thing you want to do is scroll down to where it says contact us at the bottom here. Click on that. I'll leave a link to this page in the description, but I just wanted to show you how to get to it if the link doesn't work for some reason. So now you want to click on support form up the top here, right here. Click on that. It's going to open up a link into your browser. Again, I'll leave a link to this in the description so you can just be taken directly to this site. You want to enter these details or you can just log in. I'm going to log in. Enter your username and password. There we go. So after logging in, it's going to enter some of the details for you, but you want to put in your username. So you want to enter your first name in as well, and then enter in your email address and confirm the email address by entering it again. With these support tickets as well, you want to remember that you need to provide as much detail as possible so they have a higher chance of helping you out, because remember, Roblox is a large platform and they get lots of these tickets every day. So to prevent you having to email them back and forth, it is better to just enter as much detail as possible when first submitting your support ticket. Select the device you are having the problem on. I'm having problem on my PC. And then you want to select the category. So select the one that your issue falls under. And depending on what category you've selected, it's going to give you a second option to select more information. So lastly, you want to enter in a description of the issue. Again, enter as much detail as possible to help the support team find a solution for you. The more description you give, the easier and faster your issue will be solved. So after you've entered the description, just click submit. You're gonna have to solve a verification puzzle. Click start puzzle and just read what the captcha says and do your best to enter it correctly. And then after you've completed it, you'll get this pop-up that comes up that says request received, and you can click OK. And you've officially contacted Roblox support. You'll get an email confirming this, confirming that the support team has received your request and that they will contact you as soon as possible. So that is it for this video. Once I receive my support ticket, I'll be making a video on what to do with it. So stay tuned for that. Once the video is out, I'll put a card in the top right that takes you to the video. So click on that if you need further help with the support ticket. Also leave a like if this video helped. If you have any troubles with this video, please leave a comment and we will do our best to help out. That is it from me. Peace out.